What is it? What is it? What is it?
Play-Doh.
Oh, you needed Play-Doh. We don't even have any, do we? Oh, that's great.
Wow, you needed that.
She did. We don't even have any more Play-Doh, do we?
I'm gonna open them.
Okay.
See, again.
Just put your finger right on the side. Turn it on the side. Oh, look, there's a little...
Uh-oh.
Here?
Yeah, put your finger in there. Rip it open.
Oh.
What is that?
Huh.
What is it? Is that... You know what it looks like?
Yeah.
A spaceship. Didn't you want a spaceship? Do you like it?
I don't know if she likes it.
No?
Go to a new one.
She's like...
Go open a new one.
Well, that's all right. Maybe the next one